Google's upcoming Pixel 10a has just appeared in a new leak, and this time the details are much clearer than before. For months, rumors suggested that this phone would be almost identical to its predecessor, the Pixel 9a, with very few meaningful changes. But this latest leaked spec sheet tells a slightly different story. While most of the phone stays familiar, one surprisingly big upgrade could make the Pixel 10a stand out in a way no one expected. At first glance, the Pixel 10a looks very similar to the previous generation. The design remains clean and simple, keeping Google's recognizable mid-range style. The phone will reportedly come in several colors including obsidian, fog lavender, and berry, with the berry option especially catching attention thanks to its bright and eye-catching look. The overall size also stays compact and easy to handle, measuring around 153, 9 by 73 by 9 millimeters and weighing just under 83 grams, making it comfortable for daily use. The display is a 6.3-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 2424 by 1080 pixels. It also supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling and animation should feel fast and fluid. Google is also upgrading the screen protection to Gorilla Glass 7i, replacing the older Gorilla Glass 3 used on past models. This should offer better durability against scratches and minor drops, which is always a welcome improvement for everyday users. Inside the phone, the Pixel 10a will reportedly use the same Tensor G4 processor. This may disappoint some people who expected a new chip, but the good news is that performance should still be reliable for normal daily tasks, photography, and smooth Android experience. Google is also including the Titan M2 security chip, which focuses on keeping data safe and adding extra protection for sensitive information. The software experience remains one of the biggest strengths of the Pixel lineup. The Pixel 10a is expected to launch with Android 16 out of the box. Even more impressive is Google's promise of 7 years of operating system updates and security patches. That means buyers could keep this phone for a long time without worrying about losing software support, something that very few mid-range phones offer. In terms of memory and storage, the phone will include 8 GB of RAM and 2 storage options, 128 GB and 2 6 GB. This setup should be enough for most users, whether they use their phone mainly for social media, photography, or everyday apps. Speaking of photography, the camera system remains mostly unchanged. The main rear camera is a 48-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization and a bright f/1.7 aperture, helping capture stable and clear photos even in challenging lighting. The second camera is a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens with an f/2.2 aperture for wider shots like landscapes or group photos. On the front, there is also a 13-megapixel selfie camera, which should deliver consistent quality for video calls and social media content. The battery capacity sits at 100 mAh, which is solid for a mid-range smartphone and should easily last through a full day for most users. But here comes the most surprising part of this entire leak: charging speed. According to the new information, the Pixel 10a could support 45-watt wired charging. This is a huge jump compared to the Pixel 9's 23W charging speed. Not only is this faster than previous A-series phones, but it may also put the Pixel 10a ahead of even more expensive phones in Google's lineup, including the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro. That is unexpected because usually flagship models get the fastest charging, not budget-friendly devices. If this upgrade turns out to be true, charging times could be significantly shorter, making the phone far more convenient for busy users. However, there is one possible downside. The leak does not mention wireless charging support. If wireless charging is removed, that would actually be a downgrade compared to the Pixel 9a, which could disappoint some users who prefer cable-free charging. Other small upgrades include improved connectivity features like Bluetooth 6.0 instead of Bluetooth 5.3, along with Wi-Fi 6E, NFC, and USB Type-C. The phone also keeps IP68 water and dust resistance, meaning it should survive accidental splashes and dusty environments without problems. Pricing may be another strong point. The leaked information suggests a starting price of around $2499 in Europe. This aligns with previous pricing rumors and could translate to roughly $4099 in the US, matching last year's launch price for the Pixel 9a. If that happens, Google might maintain its competitive position in the mid-range market, especially at a time when many rival brands are raising prices for their upcoming phones. But here lies the real question. Should someone actually choose the Pixel 10a? Since the Pixel 9a already shares the same processor, camera setup, display, battery size, and similar design, many people may struggle to see a strong reason to upgrade. In fact, with discounts pushing the Pixel 9 down to prices like $399 or even $349, the older phone could look like a better deal for budget-conscious buyers. The Pixel 10a seems to be a phone that focuses on subtle improvements rather than big changes. Faster wired charging, stronger glass protection, slightly refined design, and newer Bluetooth technology are nice updates, but they may not feel revolutionary. Still, for buyers entering the Pixel ecosystem for the first time, these small upgrades combined with long-term software support could make the Pixel 10a a smart and reliable choice. Now the final decision will depend on pricing and real-world testing after launch. If Google keeps the price steady and the 45-watt charging upgrade proves true, this mid-ranger might quietly become one of the most interesting value phones of the year. If this leak turns out to be accurate, the Pixel 10a could surprise everyone in at least one key area. But the big question remains, is faster charging enough to make it worth buying over the cheaper Pixel 9? For more latest mobile leaks, tech updates, and smartphone news, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so nothing gets missed.